Yo, what up? Your boy Jules G. Holla at your boy, I'm in here, man. Check it. Got a lot of exclusive shit on Instagram. Dat Piff everywhere, yo. Type in Dat Piff. Go in the search and type in BLOCCNIGGA. Block nigga. BLOCC spacebar NIGGA on Dat Piff. Also, Instagram, THA underscore celebrity underscore magazine, THA underscore celebrity underscore magazine. We everywhere, man. You can't miss us, man. I mean, you can't miss us. Straight up, we everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Like, there ain't too much niggas can do. There ain't too much niggas can do, man. Ain't too much niggas can do. We gonna blow with this shit. What we got? Also check One the Light out. One the Light on from OG Status, my clique. You know what I'm saying? OG Status, motherfucking, you know what I'm saying? One the Light. Number one, WON the THA Light LIGHT. One the Light on YouTube. Check that shit out on YouTube. Shit, we got so much shit, man. It's hard for y'all to miss us, man. I'm saying, if you've been following me, like, I'm upset because niggas been discrediting my shit, saying that niggas been doing shit for me, but niggas ain't even been doing shit for me because I'm trying to tell you, like, the way I put it down and mapped it out, like, I'm so G with my shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm so G with my fucking shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, straight up, you know what I'm saying? Like, niggas can't even fuck with me, you know what I'm saying? Like, I've been putting it down for so fucking long, like 20 fucking years, yo. We've been putting it down for like 20 years, yo. Niggas can't even stop that shit. I'm trying to fucking tell you, yo. Straight up. All you gotta do is just respect my fucking shit. You know what I'm saying? Respect how I bring it. Respect my set. Respect my fucking city. Respect our name and how we put it down, yo. Straight up, cause we G's, yo. And niggas can't stop that shit. Straight up, nigga. I'm trying to tell you, but check this hot shit out. I got for y'all niggas. Freestyle. You know what I'm saying? Jules G. Your boy One the Light. You know what I'm saying? DJ East 9. We come live, yo. Straight up. Exclusive.
Get the fuck out of here saying I'm the best to do it though.